Okay, welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best Forex trading platform that I think you should be using. Okay, so right now I'm on tradingview.com. Okay, if you've not used tradingview.com, you definitely want to check it out. Okay, it's one of the best Forex trading platform out there. And it is free, right? You don't even need to pay for it. Okay, of course, they have the paid version, but the free one is good enough. Okay, in fact, what I like about this trading platform over here is that this trading platform, right, is actually a web-based platform. Okay, that means that you can plot your charts here, and let's say you are at home, you're looking at the charts on your desktop. Okay, and let's say you go to work and you want to have a look at your charts again with your drawings on it, with your templates on it, with whatever you have on a chart. You can just head over to the browser and pull this exact chart out. Okay, that means that you don't have to reanalyze your charts. So this is very useful. Okay, having a cloud-based trading platform is very important. In fact, if you are existing subscriber to our channel, you know that we use this platform a lot, right? So this platform is called Tradingview. Okay, so in this short video, I'm going to run through with you how you can use this platform. Okay, it's rather intuitive. Okay, so of course you have the currency pair here. Okay, so what I like about this platform is that they have different brokerages, right? So what I like to do is sometimes I like to compare the currencies. Okay, rationale is because the forex industry is a unregulated market. That means that different brokers, the chart will look slightly different, okay? Because you have different opening hours, you have different candle closing times, right? So sometimes it's good to have a different, different brokers to have a look at how the price is actually moving. Okay, so that's one thing to note about this platform. You have different brokers. So for example, you have FXCM, you have Owanda, you have Forex, you have Forex ICE. Okay, so personally, when I'm on this platform, I like to use the Forex ICE. Okay, I found it to be more accurate. Okay, that's just a personal preference of mine. Okay, so this is how I use it. Okay, next up, we of course have the time frames, right? What time frame you're looking at right now in the H4, and then you have the types of charts, right? You have a line chart, you have a bar style, and you have all these charts which a traditional MetaTrader 4 does not have. Okay, MetaTrader 4 is another trading platform that it's one of the most popular platform, right? We use that as well, but it doesn't have all these features. Okay, but then again, we don't use these features. But I mean, it's good that there is these features over at this platform. Okay. Now this section called the indicators and strategy section, which I really love, because you can get access to people who develop indicators and strategies. Like for example, I don't know what this is, but let's try. Right, you have insights into what people are doing. Oh, Bollinger Band's trading strategy. Okay, I'm not asking you to blindly follow these strategies, but I'm saying that it's really good in a sense that you have access to this kind of just a moment. Yes, you have access to this kind of information, this kind of indicators, and sometimes you want certain scripts, right? My scripts, right? So it's a very good platform, okay, that you can actually look at what other people are doing, okay. And of course, you can set alerts. So for example, if you're a breakout trader and you only want to enter when price has broken a certain level, then you can set alert, and this is very useful. Okay, because if you set this up right, then you don't need to keep watching the charts. Right, you can have a notify app. Okay, this trading platform, TradingView, they also have a application, a mobile app, and that's super useful. So okay, so in the MT4, you can't set an alert without having a VPS, a virtual private server, to keep your MetaTrader running. But in this, you do not need to, have your trading view on in order to receive these alerts. And so this is super good, right? It's super good. And you can see over here that you are able to also send an email, to inform you about the price level. Okay, so of course you can you can set different settings, right? The price cross a certain level, the price breakout of a channel, they move up a certain percentage or move down a certain percentage. Again, super useful. Okay, so that's it for here, right? And of course, if you do a right click, you can change to different pretty standard chart settings, right? You can change how the chart looks. Okay, so over on the left you can see that these are the tools. So this platform has one of the most robust tools, right? You have the trend line, you can draw channels, right? You can draw Fibonacci, you have extension, you have Fibonacci time zones, basically it has everything you need, right? So what I really love about it is that you can you can click over here to add to favorites, and when you do that, it'll show up as a bar like this at the you can drag so that you can easily access the tools that you use the most. Okay, this is super useful. Okay, in MetaTrader 4 you can't do that. Okay, so again, this is free. You should definitely check out if you have not been using TradingView, right? Of course, you also have the patterns, right? You can draw patterns over here, and you can also add like, oh, I want to look at this level, I want to monitor this level. You can also measure, okay, the distance, right? So you can see that there's really a lot of tools. Okay, I mean, I'm not going to go through every single tool. In fact, I don't actually use every single tool, but it's very good. Okay, there's a lot of things, right? In fact, there's too much, right? So if you are new, you might get overwhelmed because you don't know how to analyze the market, and there's just so many things going on here. Okay, but if you are new, check out other videos. We teach you how to analyze the market. Okay, in fact, we have a day trading guide. I leave a link to the description. In the description, I left a link, right? You can download our day trading guide for free. Okay, it's free. Just click on the link, get it, right? In fact, we also have a course, a Forex course, which is also free. Okay, just check out the links below. I'm not going to ramble on about it. Okay, the last section that I want to talk about this platform would be the right column. So just now we talk about alerts. So your alerts are going to show up here. Okay, the other thing that I like to do is I like to have a watch list, so I can monitor the currencies at a glance. So for example, right now I have a position in Kiwi Yen and Pound Franc. So I can just put it here and I can just analyze it once, kind of just know where price is. Okay, you have all these data windows like telling you what is the highest price, what's the lowest price, the open and close. To be honest, I don't really use this. You have a calendar as well, which is again super useful because all these high impact news affects the currencies a lot, and that's something you want to pay attention to, right? So the good thing about this platform is that you can just at a click of a button you can see what news is coming out, right? In fact, I believe that you can actually set up your chart to show a news event. Let me see. Remember that you can do it. Yes, events over here. So you can click this button to show the events. So this is very useful because sometimes you get carried away with trading and you forgot to monitor this news event. Okay, so if let's say I'm looking at a chart right now and I'm about to take a trade and I see that there's a news event here, right? I'm probably not going to take the trade, especially if this is a very high impact news, right? But if I didn't have this and I go ahead and take, and after that price moves strongly against me, I'm going to lose money, right? So this is very important. Okay, the rest, it's not really important. I mean, you have the ideas, you have the public chat, private chats, idea stream, notification. To be honest, I don't really use all this. Okay, just stick to the top, left, and the right. Okay, at the bottom, you have screeners. This is not a stock video. This is a Forex video, so I won't go into using stock screeners. Okay, one last thing that it's worth talking about would be how you can actually do a playback, right? A playback, let me just, you can actually do a playback of your, let's say you want to try a new strategy, right? Let's say you learn our day trading strategy, you want to try it. the cool thing about Tradingview is that just a moment, okay, is that you can play back. So you can let's say I want to start here and want to do some paper trading. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay, so apparently only the paid version you can do it on the lower time frames. But let's just say that I want to, just a moment. Let me. Okay, so let's say I want to day trade, right? I want to day trade. I want to practice. So I can, so price is here. What do I do? Then you can kind of press and, play. You press this button, play. Sorry, it's not this button. Which button is it? Let me. Oh, sorry, it's this button here. So you can just play, and price will just move on. Of course, you can control the speed. So this is super useful for back testing. Okay, if you are learning a new strategy, you want to back test, right? You should be practicing this. In fact, I would say that when the market is not moving, this is one practice that you want to do. You want to always be back testing. You want to be training your mind to identify opportunities. You want to practice. Okay, that's the only way to get good at this game of trading. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Hopefully you gain some value, from this video. Okay, as I said, we have a free day trading guide for you, and we also have free Forex course. Just check the link in the description. If you have any questions or any other trading platforms that you want us to explore, you want to learn how to use, right? Like let's say you want to learn more about MetaTrader 4, just comment down in the section below. We'll do our best to record a video and address your question. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video.